Hello, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Trainline app not working. Now to fix this problem, firstly, you need to make sure that you have running the latest version of it. Now to check this, head over to the Play Store and there search for Trainline. Now tap on update button. Now if you can see open button instead of update button, then you're using latest version of it. Now if you have updated the app, tap on open button to see if this solves your problem or not. Now if doesn't solve the problem, then move to the next solution, which is to clear cache of the app. For that, head over to the settings panel of your device and there search for app. And again tap on manage apps option and now search for Trainline and then tap on clear data and again tap on clear cache option. Once you tap on it, this will fix your problem. If it doesn't, then you have only last solution, which is to remove the app from your device and reinstall it. Now to remove the app, tap and hold the app and then tap on remove. It will remove your app from your device. Now to reinstall the app, head over to the Play Store and there search for Trainline. And now you need to tap on install button to install the app. Now once your app get installed to your device, tap on open button and hopefully this will fix your problem. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And also turn on the notification bell in order to get notified for any of our new uploads. That's gonna be all for this video and I will see you in the next one.